I've only went and gone to start my seeds in the house and realised all my bloody seed trays are up the allotment. So I've had to brave the cold to go up. I'm also checking out my polytunnel because it's been really windy the last night and couple of nights, so I'm hoping nothing's more got damaged or even got blown away. But we'll see when we get this wind's done. Well, I think it's blown something. Oh. Yeah, that's even took it. It's cheap. Saying that, that's totally... What's happened? I can't even tell what's happened here. Oh, I never... I think it's totally snapped off the thing. Right. Wind's just snapped it clean off. Is that still bolted on? But this for connections. Just... Yeah, there. If I can get this zoomed in. Just totally snapped off. Bugger. Oh, I don't know what to do with that. It's the only one I've done it to, so any advice? This just hasn't lasted even 6 months with this wind. I need a new one. So after that fun day of seeding, I managed to convince my girlfriend to allow us to use a cupboard that we don't use in the house to set all my seed startings. I've got my heat mat for that one, that's tomatoes and peppers and that. And lettuce and a couple of other ones, so I had like 4, I mean you can see the different varieties I've got. I've got a couple of different tomatoes and peppers, and I think 1 chilli. I think at the minute the rest of the chilies go next month, but they're all good for greenhouse. Compact ones, the peppers, so they will fit in with me tomatoes. Also got me salad leaves in this one, which I've just got salad bowl and rocket and a couple other ones. I haven't got any of the heart ones, these are just cut and come again ones. I also have, which one we use? Oh, this one was, this one was the kids one, so the seeds are just everywhere, pretty much. No, that one is the kids one because they're just seeds everywhere. This one was the salad as well. Just check. Leek. I've got leek in that one, in front of there, and that was a mix of salads as well, I think. I can just see mix on it. Sweet pea, that was it. Sweet pea in there. I keep forgetting. But the kids help that, so there's like several different varieties in one tub. And on the end, I have me beans, me dwarf ones I think I put in there, and peas as well, some sugar snap ones. But yeah, these will stay here until April, May. That's going to go in the garden, and I'm going to move the rest of them up the allotment in the greenhouse when they do germinate, because I do have the lights, but they're only going to cover like the first 2, maybe 2 bits, but I'm mainly bothered about me tomatoes. Most of them will do fine up the allotment under the polytunnel if this wind doesn't blow it over.